In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to loop music in InVideo. If you've ever had your background track end before your video does, or you've heard an awkward silence halfway through your edit, looping your music is the quick fix. Looping makes your selected track repeat automatically so it covers the entire length of your project, keeping the energy consistent from start to finish. Start by opening InVideo AI and heading to your workspace home. This is where all your projects live, and it's the best place to jump right in without searching around. Once you're there, pick the project you want to work on. It doesn't matter if it's a short social clip or a longer tutorial, the looping process is exactly the same. With your project open, go into Edit, then choose Music. This is the soundtrack area for your project where you can manage the main track that plays under your visuals. If you already have a track added, great, you're ready to loop it. If not, make sure a track is selected so the settings you're about to change have something to apply to. Next, open Music Properties. This will reveal the detailed settings for your music track. You'll typically see options related to how the track behaves and how it blends into your video. Don't worry about changing anything else here. We're focusing specifically on looping. Find the toggle for loop music and turn it on. This tells InVideo to repeat your chosen track automatically so it extends across your entire timeline. The tool handles the repetitions for you, reducing the need to duplicate audio clips manually. If your track is designed for seamless looping, the transition points will be smooth. Even if it isn't, looping is still useful to avoid silence and keep your pacing consistent throughout. When you're done, click Apply. That saves the setting and updates your project so the music repeats for the full duration. From here, your soundtrack will continue underneath your visuals for as long as your video runs. If your video is shorter than the track, nothing changes. InVideo will simply play the portion it needs. A couple of quick considerations as you work. Background music should support your visuals, not overpower them. Many editors keep background tracks at a modest level so dialogue or key sound effects remain clear. Also, make sure you're using music you have the right to use, whether it's from InVideo's library or your own licensed files. And that's it. Open your project, go to Music, turn on Loop Music in Music Properties, and click Apply for a polished, uninterrupted soundtrack.